Alright guys, now let's have an overview on Docker basics. Then we will start handle all of these in details. Alright, so Docker generally consists of Docker engine, and we will talk about that. What is Docker engine, the concepts of Docker engine, the parts of Docker engine versus daemon versus the client, Docker client I mean, the Docker server, and so on. The Docker network, the Docker containers, the Docker images, what is the difference between the images and Docker containers, the data volumes or storage generally, alright? All of that actually will be handled in the upcoming lectures. So we will learn all of that, and all of that will be very theoretically. Then we will start with the practical, but before we start the practical, we need to have an overview and understand every term, every concept, everything regarding Docker, or everything regarding the basics at least, so we can start writing Docker, running command on Docker, and so on. Okay? Alright, I will see you there.